In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight bulb socket on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T25 socket. Take those two bolts out, grab the lens, and you want to just pull it towards the back of the vehicle. We're going to just slide this socket to the left. That slides out. Disconnect the connector right here. There's a little lock tab here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, slide that back, or even using a pick. Push down on the button. That slides off. You take the bulb out, just grab the bulb, and it slides right out. Take the 3157 bulb, slide that in place, slide the bulb and socket into the taillight, and twist. Now we can connect the connector, line it up, lock it down, and then where the lock is underneath, just push that down into the lock position. Now take the light assembly, line it up, push it back in place. Take the bolts, get those started. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.